guess. They guess the number what they have picked. The number is get this. For every wrong guess, they will say that either -1 or 1. If they give -1, that means that I have guessed more than the guess value. If it is 1, that I guessed value is less than the picked value. Let me take one example and explain. Let guess value be guess number be 8. The range is from 1 to 10. That means that number has to be between 1 to 10. I will take guess number as 8. Okay. I will check. I check it with my values. Let me take first value equal to 1. Here my picked value is 1 and guess value is 8. That means that the value is lower than the picked value. Then it will returns 1. Then I will guess as 10. It returns -1 because I have taken value is 10. That is greater than the guess value. Then automatically it will returns -1. Then I have to reduce my value to 9. Then it returns -1. That means I have to go beyond lesser than the number. Then I will take number as 5. It returns 1 because the big value is 8. My value is 5. My value is lower than the big value. Then it returns 1. Then I will go more. I'll go to 7. Then it also returns 1 because the value is lower than the guess value. Then I will pick 8. Then it returns 0. That means that I have guessed correct. Let me do the code in linear search method. That means that I take from for loop that runs from 1, 0, 1 to up to n numbers. If the number matches with my guess value, then I will return. Let me write the pseudocode of this. For top I value equal to 1, then I will go up to the n values. Then I will increment by 1. Then I will go into my loop. If condition is placed in this, we have to place the condition guess of I value equal to 1. Then I will return I value. That means that index. Let me tell about this guess method. I have said no. The guess value is more than picked value. Guess value. Then I picked value. Then it returns -1. This guess method is a predefined API. It returns three possible values: -1, 1, and 0. If it comes -1, the picked value that I guess value is more than the guessed value. Next one, if the I picked value, I have selected value that is lower than the guess value. If it matches with the guess value, then it returns 0. That's the purpose of this guess function. Let me do this code in Leetcode and check whether it is working properly or not. Let me write. Let me. This is the Leetcode with the problem 374. Guess number higher or lower. Initially, we take I value equal to 1, then go up to n values. I incremented by 1 automatically. Then I press block. This I have to write guess of I equal to 0. That means that this guess value returns either 0 or 1 or -1 according to these rules. Then if the value matches with my value, then I will return I value. If not, I will return -1. Let me run the code. This problem is working properly. Let me submit the code. Here you can see the time limit exceeded. That means that we need to rewrite the code or do it another way. Here we can use minus search because let me take up to 10 values as we discussed in our problem 9 and 10. This value is 8. In minus search, what we have to do, we have to pick lower value and upper value. Then we have to find mid value. By depending on the mid value, we have to compare and we have to go left side or right side. Let me do and write in this. Finish L value as L value is placed at first value, and then upper value is placed at last. That means last value. Your index value is 0 to 9. That means lower value becomes 0, upper value becomes 9. Then we have to find the mid value. Values formula is 1 plus upper bound minus lower bound slash 2. That means we will get mid value. Then it becomes 0 plus automatic values 4, 0, 1, 2, then 6. Then we'll check this mid value with our guess value, which is 8. That means the mid value is lower than the guess value. That means we have to go right side. If the mid value is less than what we have guessed, then we have to go right side. It means that it becomes right here. Right here. The guess value is less than the mid value, then we'll go left side. That means this side. If the mid value is, if the target value is this side, that means we have to check whether it is condition that the target value is greater than the mid value. Then we'll go right side. The value is lower than the mid value, then we'll go left side. Like this, the loop will continue. Then it will becomes lower value as 7, upper value as well as it is. Then we calculate again the mid value. Index lower index is equal to and upper value is 10. Then we find the mid value, which is 6 plus 10 minus 6 slash 2. Then it becomes 8. Then it's 8. Then we'll check nums of mid value, which is 9. Here the mid value is 9. Our guess value is 8. Then we have to go, let me point the mid value. This is midpoint, midpointing. Here our guess value is 8. Then we have to go left side. That means the upper value becomes mid u becomes 8 and lower becomes 7. Then but lower guess value 8. Here therefore it becomes 8. Let me write the pseudocode for this code. Actually we take L value as 0 and upper value as n. Right, find out the value lower plus upper minus lower slash 2. There will run while loop. That's not equal to lower value is not equal to upper value. Paste inside the while loop. First we have to check our nums array with value is this is function which returns three values 1 minus 1 0. I'll give it value to it. It will return either 0 or 1 or minus 1. If the written value is equal to 0, that means that our guess value is right. Then I will return I. It. This is not. I will return. I will do other keys. That's condition. That means if the guess value is of value equal to minus, that means uh, picked value is more than the guess value. Then I have to go to left side. That means I have to change the upper value to bit minus 1. If it not, then it will comes to else case. That means I have to. That means that I guessed value is more than the target value. Then I will to change the lower limit to mid plus 1. Here is the pseudocode. Let me do it in a Leetcode and check whether the solution is working right or not. Let me take into value. That means lower value is 0 and upper value is n. Upper value is 1 and lower value equal to n. Then I will run while loop. which has condition lower value must be less than or equal to upper value, less than or equal to upper value. Then we have to calculate the mid value. I have declared outside. Then we have to 0. Um, that is the formula here. Minus 1. Lower bound plus upper bound minus 1. Then we have to check the we have to pass the parameters to the guess function to put equal to 0. That means that we have successfully find out that the given this value. And we have to place else if condition. If we have to place condition that the guess of mid value is equal to minus 1. That means the guess value is higher. Then we have to go to the right side. Then for value equal to take one click. The guess value is higher than the number I pick. Then we have to go right side. That means I have to update the lower value to mid plus 1. Else condition. That means if the value is higher than, then we have to go left side. Mid, that means mid minus 1. If this does not have, it does not find any solution, then we have to return minus 1. Let me run this code. That is some error. We have to place it's placed on I. We have to place mid. There any dots? Can comment down video. Thank you.